Tamara Basic Tease here, and today I want to show you how to tuck in the end of the tie for a tie front top. This took me a little bit of time to perfect, and I want to share it with you. So let's take a look. I've already hemmed one side of the tie about 1/2 inch, and after I did that hem, there's a little piece that overhangs right here that needs to be cut off. It'll make it look like a tip again. And I've already started hemming the other side of the tie 1/2 inch using a stretch stitch. So when you get to that end right there, all you're gonna do is you're gonna tuck that tip in about 1 inch. It just depends on how wide that tie is. Enough to fold it over one more time. So I folded it in, I folded it over one more time. So it's gonna look like this when you're finished. It's folded inside right here, and then it's folded again over the top. And then you're gonna follow that through all the way to the end. So you've picked up both sides, they're sewn underneath, and you've got that little tuck in there so that you can finish that stitch nicely. I hope you found this short tutorial educational. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching. And until next time, stay sexy. Bye.